Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall GitHub projects and project settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall GitHub projects, start by navigating to the main page of your GitHub repository. Look for the Projects tab located in the repository menu. Click on the Projects tab to view all existing projects associated with your repository. Identify the project you want to uninstall from the list. Open the project by clicking on its name. Once the project is open, locate the settings icon, typically represented as a gear icon, on the right side of the project header. Click on the settings icon to access the project settings menu. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page, where you will find the option to delete the project. Click on Delete this project. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the project. To confirm, type the name of the project as prompted. After typing the project name, click on the I understand the consequences checkbox. Finally, click the Delete Project button to complete the process. Now that the project is uninstalled, let's proceed to remove any project settings if necessary. Go back to the main repository page and navigate to the Settings tab at the far right of the repository menu. On the Settings page, find the Projects section within the left-hand menu. Review any settings or configurations related to projects that need to be adjusted or removed. If there are settings that are no longer required, you can modify or reset them as needed. Make sure to save any changes made to the project settings. With these steps, you have successfully uninstalled GitHub projects and adjusted project settings as necessary. Your repository is now free of the old projects and configured according to your current needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.